Now, let's look at this pair of simultaneous equations. We have negative 2x plus 3y equals 13 and x plus 7y equals 2. First, we're going to label our equations. Then, we're going to choose one of the equations and make x the subject. And I am going to choose equation 2 because it is quicker to make x the subject. Using equation 2, make x the subject. So x plus 7y equals 2. We need to have x as the subject. Therefore, we have to move 7y to this side of the equation. And to do that, we have to minus 7y because 7y is being added. So this gives us x plus 7y minus 7y equals 2. And what we do on this side of the equation, we also have to do on the other side of the equation. This leaves us with 0. So we have x equals 2 minus 7y. And we're going to call this our equation number 3. Now, we're going to substitute equation 3 into equation 1 and solve for y. And equation 1 is negative 2. Now we're substituting equation 3. Now we're going to simplify this equation. Negative 2 times 2 gives us negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 7y gives us positive 14y plus 3y equals 13. Now we're going to group like terms. So we will have to get this negative 4 onto this side. To remove the negative 4, we have to add 4 because positive is the opposite of negative. Therefore, we have to add 4. And what we do on this side of the equation, we have to do on the other side. Now, this is 0, and we're left with 14y plus 3y equals 13 plus 4 gives us 17. 14y plus 3y equals 17y. We are not finished as yet. So now we'll have to divide by 17. 17 into 17 one times. What we do on this side, we also have to do on the other. 1y is y, and y equals 1. Therefore, our y value is 1. Next, we're going to substitute our y value into equation 2 and solve for x. And equation 2 is x plus 7, and our y value is 1. Seven times 1 is 7. We have a positive 7, or we can say that 7 is being added. Therefore, we have to subtract a 7. This leaves us with 0. X equals 2 minus 7 gives us negative 5. Therefore, when x equals negative 5, y equals 1. Or we can write our answer in this form. This is our x term and this is our y term. We are now going to check our answers. Negative 2 times x, and x is negative 5, plus 3 times y, and y is 1, equals 13. X plus 7y equals 2. Alright, so negative 2 times negative 5 gives us positive 10. So this is 10. And 3 times 1 is 3. 10 plus 3 gives us 13. Negative 5 plus 7 gives us 2. Great. If you have any questions or need further explanation on anything done in this video, please leave them in the comment section.